MAXGE Electric Technology Co Limited lies at Deqing Country, Zhejiang Province. MAXGE boasts an 80,000 square meter modern standard workshop. The company is fully equipped with automatic production line and intelligent quality inspection devices, manufacturing abundant products, including high voltage and low voltage products as in circuit breaker, residual current circuit breaker, residual current breaker with overcurrent protection molded case circuit breaker, distribution box, AC contactor, air circuit breaker and solar products, automatic products, smart electric products. All the MAXGE products stand self-owned brands, among which such featured products of MAXGE as the Alpha series and Sigma series are well received in over 60 countries and regions: Europe, America, Asia, Australia, Africa, and so on. There are more than 100 senior engineers and technicians in MAXGE's research and development team. We have been keeping learning and progressing all the time. All our products are certified with such international certification as VDE, TUV, KEMA, ASTA, SEMKO, Inmetro, CE, etc. At the same time, MAXGE works jointly with international renowned electrical brands, such as OEM, ODM, and so on in the fields of standardized operations, high-performance management. MAXGE will integrate its automation and information, thus realizing wisdom production in China in 2025. MAXGE, intelligence beyond vision.